Friends, in this video, I'd like to showcase another way to get initial foothold on the target. Although I've already made a video about this machine. If you remember very well, I have already mentioned a bit in that video. From the information enumeration, we can tell that the target is possibly running Drupal CMS. Even we can get the possible version with this CMS. So this will become another vector to attack, right? So without further ado, let's just get started. As you can see over here, I've already made the enumeration with the Nigato. And as you can see, Nigato can discover the CMS information, even the version number. So next we can use such a sprite utility to see whether we can find the vulnerability for this version. And as you can see, there are a lot of exploits available. Even the metasploit has a module. So just I mentioned in the other video, if a metasploit has some modules, the metasploit should be the first choice before we try other exploits, right? So how to do? We can launch our metasploit console with the Q quiet mode, and then we can search Drupal. And you can try one by one. For example, normally I will use this one as module to try. However, this module cannot work for the machine, for the target. To save time of this video, I will neglect this part. So this one, which can work for the case, for this machine. So we can use and paste this path. No payload configured. Of course, I'm comfortable with this default payload, the metasploit. So now we can show options to display which kind of fields are required to configure. We need to set the local host to our Kali Linux. And also I'd like to change local port number to one I'm comfortable with or I like most, 555. And also we need to set the remote host to the target. And also we need to set the target URI. This case should be JABC, right? So for now I need to confirm. We have already specified all required options. Okay, it's done. And now we just run it. The service is running, but couldn't be validated. Sending stage. It looks like this module can work very well because we get the metasploit session. So next we can use command like get UID to confirm we are doing well, right? We can run get UID, which is www.data. Okay. If we want to get the command to shell session, we just run shell, and we can run or spawn the bash session, pty module. Okay, as you can see, we have already utilized another different vector to get initial foothold on the target. I will not continue to finish this box because I have already made the video within the machine. We can use the local exploit to elevate our privileged root user. So that's pretty much it about this video. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.